Hello. Welcome to Code Guide Academy, the #1 channel to learn coding and programming. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and tutorials on how to become one of the world's greatest programmer. And if you want instant notifications whenever we upload new content, then smash that bell icon. So today I will be telling you the best and fastest way to learn coding. Please watch the video to the end because these tips are very important if you really want to learn coding. So let's begin. Learning to code is a valuable skill that can open up many career opportunities and allow you to create your own projects. With the rise of online learning platforms, it's easier than ever to start learning programming from anywhere in the world, at your own pace. However, with so many options to choose from, it can be overwhelming to find the best and fastest way to learn coding. Here are some tips to help you get started and accelerate your learning. 1. Determine your goals and interests. Before jumping into coding courses or tutorials, it's important to know what your end game is. Do you want to build websites, mobile apps, or games? Are you looking to become a full-time developer or just want to learn coding as a hobby? Knowing your goals and interests will help you focus your learning and choose the right programming languages and frameworks to learn. 2. Choose the right learning resources. There are many online resources available for learning coding, including YouTube videos, online courses, and coding bootcamps. Each has its pros and cons, so it's important to choose the right resources based on your learning style and needs. For example, if you prefer hands-on learning and like to work with others, a coding bootcamp might be the right choice for you. If you prefer self-paced learning with videos and quizzes, online courses might be a better fit. 3. Start with the basics. Learning coding can be overwhelming at first, so it's important to start with the basics and build a strong foundation. This means learning programming concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements before jumping into complex projects. It might not be the most exciting part of coding, but it's essential for building a strong understanding of how programming works. 4. Practice regularly. Like any skill, coding requires practice to improve. Make sure you set aside regular time to practice coding, whether it's writing your own projects or working through coding challenges. Practice not only helps you improve your coding skills, but it also helps you reinforce what you've learned. 5. Contribute to open source projects. One of the best ways to improve your coding skills and build your portfolio is by contributing to open source projects. Open source projects are free software projects that rely on contributions from developers all over the world. Contributing to open source projects gives you the opportunity to work on real-world projects and collaborate with other developers. 6. Seek feedback and support. Learning coding is not a solo journey. Make sure to seek feedback and support from other developers, whether it's through online communities or coding meetups. Getting feedback on your projects helps you improve your coding skills and gain new insights. It also helps you build a network of like-minded individuals who can help you with future projects. Overall, the best and fastest way to learn coding is by finding the right resources that align with your interests and goals, practicing regularly, and making sure to seek feedback and support along the way. With these tips, you'll be on your way to mastering coding in no time. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Code Guide Academy for more informative and interesting videos like this one. And please guys, I'm asking you to smash the like button. Smash that button guys. See you in the next chapter.